Jesus. Oh! He's underwater. Oh!
Oh no!
Oh boy.
What's up, y'all? Super fun Holopaw ride here. Really cool, fun group of people. Had a bunch of old school 300s, which is always awesome. They were kicking ass, going deep. We sunk one. But yeah, that was a little teaser there. A lot more footage to come. And then if you want even more footage, there's a long version of this video. It's like twice as much footage on the Patreon page. And there's a couple people I ran into Holopaw that talked to me about gear reductions. I didn't get your phone numbers or anything, but they're on my phone number's on this page. So text me if you want a gear reduction. I have a bunch of different sizes in stock. Pretty good rut here. Lean over, we'll try backwards. Alright, not going anywhere. So now I did show you guys a cool winch trick where you don't have a winch and you need a winch. This is something the South American guys do a lot. Ratchet strap makes a good pair of pliers. This works if you have a locker or no diff like the back of this thing.
Cool. Brilliant.
Ladies and gentlemen. Look at the weed, you got a weed. Natural habitat.
No, don't floor it, don't floor it, don't floor it.
Very well. Uh-oh.